Side. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Left. Don't touch that line. Right. Left. Don't touch the line. Yeah, keep it together. Put your arms together. It balances you. Yeah. Come on now. Arms like an H. Together. Yeah. Three-point stance. Let me see your three-point. Relax. Three-point. Head up. Take off. Sit. Go. Three-point stance. Same thing. Sit. Go. Three-point stance. Sit. Go. Three-point stance. Three-point stance. Sit. Go. Hop back on one foot. Go. One foot. One foot. One foot. Get that other foot up. Pick it up. Okay. Three-point stance. Three-point. Get comfortable. Go. Go. To me. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. You can come back to me. Right here. Okay. You cool?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Zaire.
Who you play for?
Rocky.
Bet.
Bet.